In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Outlook email. This straightforward process will help you update your name as it appears in emails you send, which can be particularly useful if you've had a name change, want to use a nickname, or simply want to update your profile. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to start by heading over to the Outlook homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Outlook, which is outlook.live.com. Once the page loads, you'll see your Outlook email dashboard, provided you've already logged into your account. If not, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Now, once you're on the main page of your Outlook account, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a small circular icon that represents your profile. This icon might show your current display picture, or it could just be a generic icon if you haven't set a picture yet. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, you want to select the option that says My Profile. Clicking on My Profile will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your personal information and security settings. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to your display name. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that allows you to alter your name. Specifically, you should be looking for a link that says Add a Name. Clicking on this will bring up a form where you can enter your new display name. In the fields provided, type in the new first and last name that you wish to use. This new name will be the one that appears when you send emails from your Outlook account. After entering your new name, make sure to double-check it for any spelling errors or typos. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, save your changes. Depending on your settings, you might need to verify your identity through a security check, such as entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. And that's it! You've successfully changed your display name in Outlook email. This change will take effect immediately, and your new name will automatically appear on emails you send from this point forward. Remember, if you ever need to update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.